Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize a photo or other type of image in Photoshop. So I've already got my image open. If you don't have yours open yet, you could open it by going to the File menu and choosing Open File. That will open your browser and you can select the image that you want to resize. Okay, so once you have your image open, it's pretty straightforward. If I usually try to do any cropping that I might want to do before resizing. Um, so in this case, for example, if I wanted to crop off a little bit off this edge and get rid of this arm, I could do that first by clicking on the marquee tool. Um, if you're not seeing this exact tool, hold down. There are some hidden options over in this menu. So click and hold. I'm going to crop this off first. Go to the image and crop. All right. And now that I've done that, the resizing happens. So go to the image menu again, choose image size, and all I'm going to do, first I'm going to make sure that this little lock is in place. You want this, so now that's unlinked. You want it to be linked and see these little brackets. That will keep your proportions, keep your image proportions the way they should be. So for example, you'll see if I type in a width of 800, it automatically adjusts the height proportions. You can adjust to other units of measurement. For the web, usually you probably want to be in pixels since that's the way that we tend to measure things. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave the resolution the way it is. Some people will adjust that. I'm going to just leave it the way it is for now. So you can go ahead and click OK. And you'll see at first glance this seems tiny, but note that up in the corner here it's telling me that it's displaying this at 25%. So I can go up and choose the view option here and choose 100%. Now this is showing it at 100%. It's going to look a little bit bigger once I insert it into my web page. So even though this looks relatively small, it's probably going to be a significantly wider than this. You kind of have to get a feel for that, and that'll happen over time. Finally, when you're done, you can go ahead and export your file by choosing one of these export options. I've been going with the export as lately. And here you can choose, I'm going to stick with JPEG, but you could potentially choose PNG if you wanted. And I'm going to leave all the rest of this just the way it is and click Export All. I could rename this. Sometimes if I'm experimenting with sizes, I might add, so this one I've resized to 800 wide. Sometimes I'll include that during the development phase just to remind myself which image size I'm working with, but you can figure out your own naming system. And I'm going to put this on the desktop and choose export. So that's it.